For the longest time, BI has been mostly about looking at the data. But when you need to act on that data, you often have to export it to Excel or copy and paste it elsewhere. So there is a gap in there, and we are here to close it. We are solving this problem with actions. Now, dashboard builders can create custom actions that business teams can take right from their reports. Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to define actions in Holistics. Let's say I'm working in the support team of Holistics, and I have a report showing the total tickets that I have and how long they haven't been followed up. So by looking at this report, you will notice there are some tickets which have been open for a very long time. And as a support manager, your job is to figure it out the root cause and find a solution for it. So what you want to do in this situation are you open the ticket to see what has been going on. You acknowledge and follow up with the requester by sending them email quickly. And who knows, this ticket got stuck because the support agent doesn't really understand this use case that well. So they might want to search for similar tickets on Zendesk to see how other support agents solve this problem. And all these can be done with just a few clicks within this visualization, so you don't have to go anywhere. Now, I'm gonna walk you through on how to create actions. At the moment, we only support URL actions, so performing the actions basically means go to this URL. And importantly, with Holistics, you will be able to construct the URL for your action dynamically based on the value of the column. So how can this be done? Let me show you. First, you might want to add the action to go to this ticket to view more details. So you click on subject, add action, and I do notice that I have a field to define the URL to go to the Zendesk ticket right here. So I just go ahead and use that. Name this open Zendesk ticket. I click save. And yes, I have the first action. And for those who don't understand this formula, just hang in there with me. I will explain it in a later example. Okay. So next, what if I want to search similar ticket for this subject? Click on action again, add actions. And I do notice that the URL for searching the similar Zendesk ticket hasn't been defined anywhere yet. So I will choose the custom URL. And a simple function like this will do the work. Okay, so let's explain this a bit. This is the AQL expression. It will do a basic string concatenation between two strings here. So this function will construct the URL to do the Zendesk search for the specific subject here. Okay, so I will name this search for similar ticket. Click save, the run, and you have the second action here. And finally, if you want to send the follow-up email for this requester, just go ahead and add actions to the requester email. Add actions, name this send email, and again I will do a simple string concatenation. Okay, so this function will send email to the requester with the subject is the subject of the Zendesk ticket and preview the email body. Okay, so I will click save and run. And yes, and you have defined the action to send email to this requester. So this is just a glimpse of what our actions can achieve. You can do a lot of use cases with it as long as you are able to construct the URL for your actions. Thank you so much for watching.